Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple example of how to utilize Commvault's Cleanroom Recovery. In front of you, we are already logged into the cloud portal for Commvault. Once you have logged in, you can see all of the recovery points that your environment has uploaded to the Commvault portal. To select the recovery point you wish to restore from, simply locate the recovery point. You can look at the date, or if you know the set name, come over to Action, click on the ellipsis, and click Start Recovery. Then click Submit. This will initiate the first stage in a clean room recovery. At this point, you will receive an email stating that the recovery has started. After the recovery has finished staging the control plane, you will receive another email stating that the recovery has completed. Now, our control plane has fully recovered. We receive the email. We can log back into the portal looking at recovery requests, seeing that our latest request is staged. Now, to access this newly staged control plane, simply click on the ellipsis under Actions for this request. Click Access Details. This will show you the details of your newly recovered control plane. Now we are looking at the newly recovered control plane. We've logged in with the new user because all of the pre-existing users have been disabled. This is to verify the integrity of the recovered control plane, just in case the previous control plane had been compromised. None of those accounts are active, therefore the compromise would not be effective. From here, to initiate a recovery, we simply click on Cleanroom to the left, click Recovery Groups, and click into our Cleanroom group. We have pre-configured this group based upon our business applications. And since they are in the same recovery group, they will recover to the same point in time. To recover all of these machines at once to our Azure target, we simply now come over here and click Recover All. It shows us a state that they're all ready and ready to recover, and they haven't been recovered before. So we click Submit. Now that's it. You simply sit back and wait for your machines to be recovered. Commvault has made cleanroom recovery and recovering from a cyber attack as simple as we possibly could make it.